Alright, I made it. My microphone and microphone adapter. Finally. Sweet, thank you so much. Alright, so this is what it's like with the microphone that comes with the GoPro. It's kind of a windy day today, so this will be a good day to test it. Now let's see what it sounds like with the microphone attached. Actually, I guess every day is windy in Baku. They call Baku the windy city of this region. But yeah, hopefully this microphone sounds like it was worth all the trouble that I put into getting it. Yeah, so this was obviously a huge blow for me. I'm really not going to dwell on it too much because I'm still pretty PO'd about it. But basically, the microphone adapter doesn't fit snugly into the GoPro, so any little movement jiggles the microphone adapter, and then it cuts out like this. So I've tried every solution under the sun. I've attached rubber bands to the GoPro and the adapter to hold it into place. It doesn't really do anything. I looked online and people said that you need to turn off wireless connections on your GoPro because that'll cause interference with the adapter. Other people said you need to keep your GoPro charged at least 60%. I've done all these different troubleshooting fixes. Nothing seems to work. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using this standard GoPro mic. But for this video and then maybe the next one after, there's going to be parts in the video where it is a little choppy. It's just because I was still trying to get the microphone to work. So just bear with me for the rest of this video or the next one. Yeah, that really blew, going through all that time and effort, getting this part shipped from across the world, having to pay an exorbitant amount because GoPro no longer makes this part and people are charging 3 times what it's supposed to be. And then this happens. The GoPro Hero 7's been fantastic as far as stabilization goes. The color is kind of weird, and it sucks that trying to put in your own microphone is so much of a freaking hassle. But anyways, I'm in Bukhara, Uzbekistan right now, editing this video here. So that's how far behind I am in my editing right now. But I just wanted to say that my time spent in Baku was really made memorable by the people that I met at Optostop next to the hostel I was staying at, Kaha. I would go to Optostop like every day and just hang out with the owners and their friends. And then one night a couple of the guys walked me all through Baku and told me about all the history, basically gave me my own private tour through Baku. And then took me to their friend's house at like 1 in the morning, and they cooked this big, elaborate vegan Azerbaijan meal, which that's pretty hard to come by, like a traditional vegan meal from Azerbaijan. I cooked all this food, we drank some wine, and we were just up chatting till like 5 in the morning. That was definitely a big highlight for me in Azerbaijan. I really wish I would have filmed any part of it, but I just happened to not bring my GoPro around too much in Baku because I thought I had a lot more time there. And as you're gonna see, on a very short notice, I found out I had to leave Baku super quickly. So I really didn't film much at all in Baku. So yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to the people from Avtostop for making my time in Baku and Azerbaijan as a whole just that much more memorable. So I got really drunk with these Polish guys last night.
Yeah, nobody drunk here.
And then I woke up to somebody at reception telling me, "Hey Mikey, there's a boat leaving for Kazakhstan tonight. So I need to make a mad dash to the port that's 60 kilometers south of Baku. It's gonna take me like 3 or 4 hours, I'm not sure, but I have to get all my stuff ready and pack up super quick because I can't miss this boat. It might be another 2 weeks until there's another boat to Kazakhstan. So yeah, hungover, mad dash to another city via bicycle to catch a freight ship to another country. Wish I didn't drink last night, geez. I just made it to the port in Aktau. This place is pretty much in the middle of nowhere. That's probably the easiest security check ever. So earlier today over the phone they said that the boat was gonna leave for Kazakhstan tonight, but maybe late tonight. I just asked the guy and he said, yeah, it could leave today, maybe, might leave tomorrow. So I asked if I could camp anywhere in case the boat leaves tomorrow, and he's like, yeah, you can just camp anywhere. So that's what I read online too, but I just wanted to make sure. It's fucking wind. That guy's from Lithuania, that guy's from Spain. We're gonna find some place to eat. I guess there's a restaurant here. It's probably gonna be really awful because it's the only restaurant in the area and it's in a weird port, but we'll find out. So now I'm just waiting for the boat to fill up. So the boat won't leave until it gets full. So it could be tonight, it could be tomorrow. Found some other cyclists and motorcyclers. Turns out the restaurant's closed for some reason, but good thing I have some food with me. How much does this weigh? How many kilograms?
50, 60. 60.
60, fuck. That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot because they started on February.
February, okay, yeah, so you're going
February
forever.
is very cold and I have a duffel bag from minus 40 degrees.
Oh shoot, okay, yeah, mine's 0.
I have a tent for 3 persons.
Three people, wow, okay.
Yeah. But you move in the night.
Oh, you need all the space, yeah. So basically we need 30 trucks to get here to then load up on the ship so we can go, and number 28 just pulled in, so yeah, we got 2 more to go.
Yes, you just understand what is going to happen.
So the 30th and final truck just got here, so now we have to wait for each individual truck to pass customs here, and then they'll load it onto the boat. So it's 9 o'clock right now, but they told us we won't even be able to get on the boat until about 12 o'clock at night. Okay, so we just got past security, which is like a total joke. You have to pass your stuff through an x-ray scanner, but it's just a facade. All they do is make you take one bag from your bike and put it through the x-ray scanner, and then that's it. I walked through the metal detector, the thing's going off, they didn't care. They're so intimidating at these border crossings, but it's just a facade. They just want to like flex their judicial cock at you, I feel like. Said we leave all of our shit here, we go upstairs.
I don't know, I haven't heard anything about what to take or what not to take.
He told me, but I don't speak that much Russian. Not yet.
I just take the necessary things and so I don't have to come back to the bike.
Yeah.
I'm not sure they will allow us to come back.
Oh my god. It's pretty tough with all my shit. Don't exactly know where I'm going. Up one more, I guess. How old do you think these mattresses are?
From the same year of the boat.
From the same year of the boat, yeah.
So I think it's this boat, if I have to say something, is from the 80s.
I don't understand why this bar isn't open. I have like 8 more of a knot that I need to spend. I would totally spend it on beer in a heartbeat. Is there beer here? No? Yeah, it's not beer. Yeah, I wish, if I did, I would. So we didn't start moving until about 3 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's 7:30 because breakfast was supposed to be at 7:30. One of the guys in my room said that you could still see Baku. I think he's full of shit. There's a city right there. Shoot, yeah, that's Baku because that would be the only thing out here. Baku's on a peninsula in the Caspian Sea, so... yeah, it's the next day. And we can see our original destination. That's funny.
Yeah.
So English? Yeah. I love this old casino. This thing is so sick. Doesn't work. There's probably still money in here somewhere.
Are you joking? No, I've been completely empty.
Just drained it, yeah. It's way too funny. This right here is what the shower situation looks like. I just had a shower with this. That's a lot of food.
Huh?
This is way better than breakfast.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
And
they give you a pop. That's cool. Yeah.
you can choose actually Coke or Fanta.
Fuck. All right. Cool. Cool. Спасибо. I'm vegetarian, but like, fuck it. What else am I gonna eat? Currently it is 7:14 p.m. and they said we should arrive in Kazakhstan at 11. But who knows, honestly, with these boats. But I've actually like totally fallen in love with this boat. This is probably like one of the more memorable experiences I'll have for this trip. It really feels like time just kind of stands still out here because you're completely disconnected. There's no cell reception, there's no Wi-Fi. The only thing you can do is just hang out and talk to people and film yourself like an idiot on top of a boat. But really the best part about this is that once you land in Kazakhstan, then I'll actually be in Central Asia, and I feel like my trip is actually really going to start. And my YouTube video titles will actually make sense because I'll actually be in Central Asia. Oh, so a couple tips for getting onto this boat too. Definitely bring a bunch of food. They feed you 3 meals, but it's very minimal. I mean, you saw breakfast, it was just 2 eggs and a little piece of cheese and some bread. Lunch was actually pretty substantial. We had the spaghetti with the weird meat that I didn't want to eat anyways, and some awful lentil soup. I'm interested to see what dinner's like. But still, I've been hungry the entire time. I didn't really bring any food. Also, what you want to bring is alcohol. Everybody here is stone cold sober, and no one has a drop of alcohol. So bring like some vodka and some beer. You'll be like the king or queen on top of the boat. You'll be like the most popular person for sure. And yeah, again, I hate to get off this boat. I wish I could be on here for a little bit longer, but I am excited to continue into Central Asia and like really start my trip. docked at the port in a city close to Aktau, Kazakhstan. It's 4:30 a.m. Zuldan is taking me to his English class, so I'm gonna be like the guest star at his English class. Hopefully it won't be weird.
Where